What is going on, guys? This week we are in Minneapolis at the Best Buy Charity Classic. So we are helping them film their gala, and then 2 different golf tournaments, and then also a fishing derby. If you don't know, Best Buy actually puts a ton of time, effort, and money into helping the youth learn about technology and get a better introduction into it, and then get into different like tech fields and things like that. And that's what this whole event is about. So let's go take a look and film it.
Give me one shot. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all
Things for you though. That legitimately helps, so thank you.
Okay.
Right now I am getting the first shots of the golf course while the light is still good. So many bugs. We've gone through like an entire can of Bugs Bunny.
What you got there?
Coffee.
Hey.
Hey. So even with filming with like a drone like EVO, is that you always want to try to have a plan, especially if you're going to do event production or work for a client or anything like that. You don't want to just show up and I'm just going to capture aerial footage, because it's really easy to do that. Just put the drone up and you'll get some good shots. But if you have a plan, you'll be a lot more efficient. It'll save you money, time, and the client quite a bit of money as well. So before this event, we had quite a few different phone calls leading up to it, and everybody knew what the shot list, what their requirements were, what style they wanted, where the locations were going to be. That was all hashed out before we even got here. Yesterday we flew in and then instantly drove from the airport to the different locations, so we already knew where the sun was going to be, what the locations looked like, what courses we were going to film, because we have very limited time. We're actually filming 4 different events in just over 24 hours. So we couldn't, walk the course in the morning because we'd miss all the different light already. So having that pre-production plan, having that shot list, and understanding what your client really wants will help you quite a bit, even with a drone.
Good job.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. I got a lot of content on that one. Magic. Bring all of this equipment so that we can film the ground stuff, and the aerial fits in this small box.
Wow. How compact and portable. Oh, over here.
Let's go to the gala. Hey Greg, how are you?
Good.
Alright guys, so obviously we are wrapped at the golf course, which was an awesome time, and thank you to everybody that supported us. We are now at the gala in downtown Minneapolis, where we're going to be having live auctions, live music, lots of cool stuff going on. So we don't have the EVO right now, but we're still going to capture this, and hopefully we can create something awesome for these guys and just support the cause. So let's go check this out. All right, good morning guys. It is the last day of our little shooting trip here. I've got my coffee and my fishing. I'm very tired. So, we are at the fishing derby. So the last event here is just another charity event. We are at Lord Fletcher's out at Lake Minnetonka. Should be a good time. Hopefully we catch some fish, or at least capture people catching fish, because I don't really know what I'm doing. Let's go.
So it's
Right, that is not a keeper. You got to give that one back.
Yeah, you could see the string in front of the camera. So I knew. I was like, oh
Lucky it
man.
didn't get tangled.
Oh yeah. Unless it did.
Definitely caught the most expensive fish.
fast.
You got scissors?
Yeah, right.
I need my knife.
Oh, yeah. Nope.
Where'd the hook go?
I could see the string hanging down in front of the camera, and I was like, oh, okay, we're gonna be careful.
I think Shelby does one.
And that's a wrap. So we covered 4 different events in just over 24 hours, so it was very, very busy, but everything came together okay. Made it to all the different events. It was definitely a good time. Probably my favorite part was learning so much on what Best Buy and their different partners do to support youth with like the teen tech centers, and just giving kids, especially ones that maybe didn't have every opportunity growing up, to now have opportunities to grow and open doors for them and learn about technology and get degrees and certifications, things like that, and just help them grow. And honestly, especially being in the drone industry, I find that truly amazing, and I just want to say thank you, to everybody involved in doing things like that, because we definitely need a lot more of that. So thank you to everybody at Best Buy and Focus Sales for helping us out and getting us out here and supporting us. And thanks for inviting us. It was a great time, and I definitely look forward to doing more events like that. For everybody at home, I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you found some of the tips useful. And then also leave us a comment down below if you have anything that you want to see or any comments on this video. Other than that, see you later.
Bye.